Hello everyone, we will show you the application of ultrasonic food cutting system in cutting food. The ultrasonic food cutting system uses high-frequency sound wave vibration to accurately cut food into the size and shape we require while ensuring the integrity of the food. The cutting surface is smooth, no color transfer, no slag. It is widely used for cutting most products of different thickness and hardness, such as cutting toast, bread, cakes, etc. Cheese, frozen food, etc. Also suitable for baked goods such as cream layer cakes, cheese, ham sandwiches, etc. Learn more, please follow me.